Hi everyone, this is Archana, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science. Today we are going to see about the topic printer in Fundamentals of Information Technology. First we see about printer. Printers are output device used to prepare permanent output device on paper. Printers are classified under various categories like technology, used, size, etc. What is a printer? In computing, a printer is a peripheral which produces a representation of an electronic document on physical media such as paper or transparency film. Next, printers can fall into two categories. First one is the impact printer. Second one is the non-impact printer. Impact printer. It produces text and images when tiny wire pins on print head strike the ink ribbon by physically contacting the paper. Examples: dot matrix printer, line printer, decibel printer, band printer. Next one is the non-impact printer. It produces text and graphics on paper without actually striking the paper. Examples: inkjet, laser printer. Next, classification of printers. Printer. There are two types, impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer, there are two types, decibel printer and dot matrix printer. Non-impact printer, there are three types, inkjet printer, terminal and laser printer. Next one is the impact printers, dot matrix printers. The dot matrix printers uses print heads containing from 9 to 24 pins. These pins produce patterns of dots on the paper to form the individual characters. The 24-pin dot matrix printer produces more dots than a 9-pin dot matrix printer, which results in much better quality and clear characters. The user can produce a color output with a dot matrix printer. Next one is the daisy wheel printers. The wheel is used in a computer printer called a daisy wheel printer. At the end of each petal is a fully formed character which produces solid line print. A hammer strikes a petal containing a character against the ribbon and the character prints on the paper. Its speed is slow, typically 25 to 55 characters per second. Next one is the line printers. In business where enormous amount of material are printed, the character at a time printers are too slow. Print the ranges of 1200 to 6000 lines per minute. Drum chain and band printers or line at a time printers. The next one is the drum printer. A drum printer consists of a solid cylindrical drum that has raised characters in bands on its surface. The number of print positions across the drum equals the number available on the page. This number typically ranges from 80 to 132 print positions. Typically, speeds of drum printers are in the range of 300 to 2000 lines per minute. Next one is the chain printers. A chain printer uses a chain of print character wrapped around two pillars. An impression of the character is left on the page. Speeds of chain printers range from 400 to 2500 characters per minute. Next one is the band printers. A band printer operates similar to chain printer. Band printer as a steel band divided into 5 sections of 48 characters each. Font styles can easily be changed by replacing a band or chain. Next one is the non-impact printers. Non-impact printers do not use a striking device to produce characters on the paper. Next, inkjet printers. Inkjet printers work in the same fashion as dot matrix printers in the form images or characters with little dots. Ink practicals into characters at the rate of approximately 250 characters per second. Several manufacturers produce color inkjet printer. These printers produce less noise and print in better quality with greater speed. Next one is the laser printer. A laser printer works like a photocopy machine. Laser printers produce images on paper by directing a laser beam at a mirror. Laser printers use buffers that store an entire page at a time. Many home use laser printers can print 8 pages per minute, but faster and print approximately 21 lines sorry 21,000 lines per minute or 432 pages per minute if each page contains 48 lines. When high speed laser printers were introduced, they were expensive. Next one is the advantages of laser printer. The main advantages of laser printer it is its speed and efficiency at which it prints high quality graphics and text. Next, laser printers produce high quality output as compared to other printers. Laser printers are quiet and does not produce disturbing sounds. They are also capable to produce color prints. Next one is the disadvantages of laser printer. The main disadvantages of laser printer is its cost. The maintenance, repair and servicing charges are also high of these printers. Next one is the sound cards. A sound card is a computer component responsible for generating and recording audio. It enables users to connect analog speakers and headphones, microphones to their computer. Most modern computers have a built-in sound cards in the motherboard. Next, type of sound cards. There are three types of sound cards. First one is the motherboard sound chips. Next, second one is the standard sound cards. Then another one is the external sound adapters. Next, use of sound card. There are many areas where a sound card can be used. Making loud sound during watching movies, hear music at games and sports. They are used in voice recognition. They help us to create and play MIDI. Sound cards are used in audio and video conferencing. They are being used in business presentations. They are used in listening music. Thanks for watching.